Hello guys, welcome to Winners Mode channel. Today's tutorials we're gonna show you how to create a WordPress website with no coding experience or anything of that matter. And we're gonna show you how to create this website with as cheap as possible. I know you guys wanna start a business or you want to have your own website or blog without, of course, paying too much money for just a startup website. So in this tutorial, stay tuned. We're going to show you how to create this website from scratch using either a free domain or a paid domain and then hosting. So the first thing you're going to need for this website or any website, you need a domain name. There is an option that you get a free domain or you get a paid domain that you pay and you get. The option for the free domain, there is a website called Freenom, which is a website provides domain names for free or a paid domains as well. So to start up with the freenom.com, we go to the Freenom and then we type check availability for our website. For example, we're gonna search for express words. For example, to see if this domain is available or not. So this domain actually it is available free with .tk or .ml or .ga or .cf. Of course, there is .com, but it's cost $8 per year, I think. So here is how you get the domain name. So you go get it now. You select the domain and then you check out here. You put your information on this tab here. So this is your domain name, expresswords.tk, and you want it for 3 months, 4 months, is up to 12 months for free, as you see here. If you go for 1 year and 12 months are the same thing, but this one you're gonna pay 9 instead. Here you're gonna pay 3. So you go maximum, you click on 12 months and then you click continue. So now you purchase the you have your own free domain name. So what you're gonna do, because you see here is $0. So you go and enter your email here. Verify the email address. As you see here, you put it below and it's going to show you, give you a verification code to verify your email. So you go here on this another new tab and you go to the Gmail, open your Gmail account so that you can receive your verification code. Load your winners.com. Can you see the first email? They send you a link. You click on this link. So you go to activate your domain name. And then here you put your information. All this information, you fill it up, all of it. So guys, I'll let you fill this up very quick as I fill it up for you. And then I'll be back to you. Terms and condition. Don't forget to click on accept terms and condition and then click move forward. So guys, here is the order confirmation. Your order confirmation is 570. You give you a number. Remember to have this number copied somewhere so you don't forget it. So later on you can remember it. If there is any issue with your domain name, you always have to go back here and look for this confirmation number to restore your domain name. When you put your domain name, you go check here to go to your client area. Click here in this blue button and then here again you're gonna have to log in if you want to use your domain name. As we put the names as Winners Moon, and then you put your password that you just entered in, and then log into your page. Sorry guys, I have to put my whole email as the one they send you the confirmation at winners.com, and then the password, and you should be good to go. So here is your account, Hello Winners. As you see here, maybe you see your name here, and your account is ready to use. Now guys, as you purchased a free domain name, this is the first step to create a website, is to purchase a free domain or paid domain as well. I recommend, if you can pay for a domain that professional with .com, .net, or it doesn't matter, but it's more professional way to do it. So guys, if you have a choice to want to do another way, there is a website called for example, GoDaddy. You can go to GoDaddy website. It is a cheap, you can buy a cheap domain name from there as well, and you can purchase it from here. As we do before, we did the same. We put the same name, Express Words, to see if there is this is available or not on .com. So here it is available here, but it's very, very expensive. As you see here is 2,288. This is too expensive website. We can't guys buy this one for a startup business. So let's start to see if there is just Express Word without the S. This one is taken, but I think if you put two S's or something similar to that, you're gonna find the .com, and it's gonna be just cost you $11 or $12 a year. This is another way to buy a domain name, but we are not talking about that right now. We are talking about the free domain name. So now, after you purchased your, now you need a hosting. You need a hosting provider that hosts your website. There is a lot of choices as well. There is a free hosting provider. There is a paid hosting. We're gonna show you the free hosting website, which is called 000 Web Host. This is a free and available web hosting provider. They provide you with a free hosting. So if you want us here, go ahead and sign up for this as well. Make put your email. Go ahead and put your domain name you just purchased from client. If you forgot it, you can go here and go to my invoice and look for your domain name that you just purchased. I think there is another tab that you look on it. It's gonna be account details. I think it's gonna be that one, and it should give you the my domains. Yes, go services and click on my domains, and here is your domain name. So you go back here and put your domain name here as we did at .tk, and then get free hosting. Select these signs, guys. Select just the signs, don't select something else. Select the sewing machine. So we're gonna select the machine. Probably that's it. I don't think this is just they're trying to trick me, guys. Yeah, be careful. So this is the hosting provider we are using, which is free. I don't come across another free web hosting provider. So far I have gone to this one, so we're gonna be using this one. I'm gonna show you another option for the paid hosting provider, but for now we're gonna go with this. So do manage your website over here, guys. Email confirmed required. So again, we're gonna go back to our emails and then confirm the hosting. Confirm your email on the hosting provider account, which is simply easy. Go to your email and open the message, and you see here email is verified. So manage website, manage now your website, how you want to build it. So guys, now you have a couple options to do. You can build your website here on this web host provider, which is options. We can click here and go and show you a very quick options to do. So you can manage your website here by just dragging texts and images to the website. You can edit it here, select your theme as you see here, and then start dragging and changing the text and everything. But there is the second option is going to be a website, WordPress. You're going to be doing making your website through WordPress, which is our topic for today. Another option to do is to upload your file. If you already created a website and then you have your file ready, you can upload it over here on the third section. But now we're gonna do it with WordPress. So click install here, admin user. You can put your name here if you want, but I'm gonna leave it like admin, probably admin1, and then password is gonna be, this is going to be your WordPress website and username. So later on when you go, you don't have to go through this web hosting. You just log in into your WordPress directly using this username and this was password. This is your URL for the website. This is the English. We're gonna show you guys how to change this from .tk.00webhost.com to make it just express words.tk. So we're gonna do that right now. We're gonna go back to settings, maybe generals here, and let's go back to the main page here and then click on manage website. Sorry guys, go back here and click on details. So here you're gonna see your website details, which contains the URL for the website and how many megabyte they give you for hosting, and you're gonna see your file manager here. Later on, if you want to change files or anything, you can do it right here. The very important thing to do now is to connect these name servers on your domain name, so you have that without the .00webhost.com. You're gonna have your name and then dot whatever you choose for your domain. So to do that, keep this page open, go back to your domain provider and then click on here on manage domain. So now we start managing our domain and connect it with the hosting provider. So now you go here, manage freenom DNS, click on that area. It's gonna gives you the URLs to connect your domain name to. There is another way to do it, is you go to your services and click on maybe my domains and manage domain, go to site. I think it's the same way that we do this, but it is upgrade tools. So here, so after this tab you click on management tools and go on name servers, click on this tab, and then here where you're gonna enter your name servers from the hosting. So you go back here guys and then copy these name servers, put it on the first field here, and then the second one goes on the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, it doesn't matter. It's just you need these two to be verified with your hosting provider. So you click change name servers to be provided with your hosting. After that we do that guys, we're gonna click close here, and then we should manage the website here. And let's go to your account, and you go to my websites again, and you go click on details. Trying to find the link that to go to connect your WordPress with your name servers. So let's go to build the website or set a web address. That is the thing that we're going to do. So here, if you own a domain, you can say I use my own domain. There is another option. You can buy a domain from this same provider, hosting provider, or you can have a subdomain, which is free subdomain, which is the same that the one you had. So if you have your own domain, use your domain. Click on here. Click your domain name, which is Express, the one I use for my one I just purchased, and then park the domain, which means now is going to delete the .00 web host, because you already have, you say that I have my domain. As you see here, it is parked here. And then here we go and come here and then recheck name servers. They are waiting for name servers. We already, which we did here with our name when we put the name servers on our domain name, and then now it's asking us to recheck it if already put it there with our domain provider. Once you click recheck name servers, this should be changed from waiting for name servers to is confirmed. That's the only thing we're gonna be doing right now. We're gonna wait a little bit. I think they are going to be sending an email regarding the name servers. It's parked, and then when you see a time date with dotted underline, you can click to add event on your Google. Domain Express is not pointing to web host. Changing your name servers takes just a few minutes. You don't know how to change your unknown servers at your register, you domain name server. We do have directions to the most popular name now. Let me see if it's already parked or not, because it's supposed to be parked because it says it was already parked. So now this is community for the web host provider, where you can ask questions, and also they show you the most common domain providers that out there, and they show you how to connect it. Like us, we choose our name from the first provider, which is free name, and they show you how to connect it, to connect your name servers with the host provider. Log into Freenom. This is just for pure preference, guys, just to if you don't see me doing something or you didn't understand it, you come back here and then you follow these steps. Log in, go to services, my domain, choose a domain and click manage domain, select tools, name servers, and then select use custom servers, which is the ones we entered on the first, and then the second one. Only these two web host name servers can be listed, otherwise your website will not be functioning. Click change name servers, which we already did, which now we're gonna update this page to see if our name servers are connected to the host provider or not. It's still waiting for name servers. When it's saying here is parked, I'm not sure why is it having a problem right now. So let's try to park domain, and maybe it's gonna take a few minutes to load. So don't worry about it. After it's changed, keep updating the page, and it's gonna change to be already parked, is ready for use. Once you do have that, guys, we go back to build our website as we said, and then we choose a WordPress, and then the admin and the password. Guys, be careful, make sure that maybe contain your name so you don't forget it, or something similar to that, so you can log into your WordPress. After your domain is parked, you should be able to have a link without the 00webhost.com. You should just have your domain URL here, and the language set it to wherever language you're going to be using on your website, English or French or anything that, because the website have a different templates for different languages. Now I'm gonna go with English, and then I'm click install. Here is the WordPress now installing, and then it's making its data on transfer it to WordPress website. After it loads, guys, we're gonna show you how we're gonna start now building the website and actually seeing it in action. I'll wait for this to load, and then I will be back to you guys in a second. Here we go, guys. Our software is ready and WordPress is already installed. It didn't take that much of time. It was quick. So guys, here you click on go to configuration page. Your configuration page is going to be on WordPress, and it's gonna have your domain name dot and then .tk. I told you guys before, this is going to go after your domain is parked properly. After your domain name is parked, you're gonna have the slash after your domain and then WP login. I told you guys to put your name here so you don't forget it, and then the password that you used for WordPress, and so you should be able to log into your WordPress website. So here is, guys, your WordPress website dashboard. Now you are ready to start building your website from scratch. If you go here and highlight this area here and go to open a tab to view your website, you will see your website how it looks right now. There is nothing on it. There is absolutely nothing, and this is the standard theme that it comes with WordPress first time when you install it. We're gonna be deleting everything here. We're gonna change the theme, and then we start building the website. So the first thing you want to do, you go to appearance and then you click on themes, and you start choosing a theme that you want. They give you the 3 or 4 most common WordPress themes, but you don't have to use these 3. You can add a new one by searching on the add new, and then you give you the features here. Featured themes or popular, latest, or favorite, or you can search on your own. So we go through these themes. Maybe we're gonna be able to check one of these themes. Let's see if there is a theme that is interesting here we're gonna be using. This one looks very good. I like the color, so I'm gonna be previewing this theme to see if it's gonna be matching my website, as well as the options that it has. So I look here and it looks like have a background image here, like a front page, home, about. Actually, you can add as many menus here as you like, as well as changing these pictures or making it very different looking. I think this theme looks amazing. I'm gonna start with this theme, which you click here, install the theme, and it's gonna be installed. After it's gonna be installed, you click activate. Now, with theme that we are using is this one, and it's called the Black Rider. It looks like it's a great theme. You can choose whatever theme you guys want. This is my choice. I use this. Let's now check our WordPress website again to see how it looks like. It looks like exactly as we see it on the theme, which is absolutely nice. I see here our domain name, they put it for you, and just another WordPress website. We can be editing this as well. So we back to our dashboard here. The first thing you wanna do, go to your settings and go to permalinks. It is the very important thing you want to do first thing when you log into your WordPress, and you want to choose your URL style. The URL common settings that has is you want your website to display after your domain is going to be like numbers, or the name of the posts, or the name of the articles. You choose whatever thing that you think it's important. I don't recommend using these custom structures, but if you guys want to do that, do it. I want to use the post name, because later on when people searches for these keywords, they're gonna find your articles easily in Google search. So I will choose post name, and I click Save Changes. And then here we go. Here it is, guys. You go back to your dashboard. So you got your website set up. You wanna custom your website. If you wanted to see it in action while you are editing and see it in action, you can go to Appearance, and then you click on. Let's go to Customize. Yeah, click on Appearance or Customize, and then you will see your website in action while you are moving things around or changing it. You're gonna be able to see. This is a great feature without WordPress does. So here is our website, and here on the left, as you see, there is the settings that we can do with our website. They put a logo here. Let's go to general, which is general settings that on my website, and then we can change the site title. As you see here is Express Words, which is the domain name, and then the tagline, you can delete this tagline and say welcome to my awesome website. Yeah, you can change that as you want. Once you change it, you're gonna be seeing this in action after you save the page. And then you can select an image, of course, of the site icon, any image that you have on your computer that you want to use. I can use this as a logo icon, and then I just select it. And if you want to copy it or make it smaller, you can do that, but now I'm gonna leave it like this. Crop the image. As you see here, you can make it smaller or bigger, but we are not gonna do that. This is the icon of the website that is going to be appears like an app, and it's going to be looks amazing. Logo, I'm gonna show you guys later on how to create logos as well, how to create a logo for your website for free. If you are interested, please leave a comment. Let me know if you want to do that as well. So now if you want to remove this like a logo they have here and change it on your own, as I said here, choose the same image. This is going to be disappearing, and our logo is going to appear over there. The logo is too big now, so I'm going to be removing it. I want like a small image that I'm going to use. There you have two choices. As you see here, when you remove the image, the logo website, you're going to have the text. If you put the logo, you're going to have just the logo. So you have two options. You want the text or you want the logo. If you want the logo, you can select the image here, custom logo. If you want the text, you go to site title and you make this happen here. So this is the logo website. We want to set in title, we want to logo version. Now we go to the right contact area. Here you guys be able to put the enter mobile navigation menu text, and then here mention the contact details. As you see, maybe is on the bottom. Maybe here they give you like contact details that you want to use so people can contact you. This is on the right side. And then you go to the header area here, which we can change the image here by adding a new image, and go to upload files, and then let's put an amazing picture of our website. I want to put the Winners Moon logo here as my website, and then I'm gonna have an amazing picture. Whatever guys picture you want to choose for your website, you're gonna be seeing it how in action is gonna be happening. You can copy it as well as you want. Of course, if you see that you want to put it on the side or you want to put it on top, I think I put it on the middle, which looks great. I'm gonna skip copying or say copy image on this because I made the changes. After you do your website, of course, you're gonna see the picture over here. This is one thing you can do. We see how our website is still changing. I think the contact names here, as you see on this tab, is the ones that they ask you to enter here. If you want to enter, hey, contact me through email, and then you put your email name on this website. Here you say, like I said, winnersmoon.com, and then you're gonna have the contact name as well. When a person clicks on this winnersmon.com, you can provide a link, or you can provide a phone call, so when they click on here, they're gonna be calling you directly. The header area, as we said, you can change the image, and then you have the heading section, homepage, top heading. You have here, you can enter some information, you can change some of the header area things here, like the menu or subheading, mention tagline. You can guys play with it as much as you want. This is the homepage that's to mention screen, which is provides 3 singles. You can make it 5, and you will see that we're gonna have 5 things is supposed to be appearing on the website. So this is the testimonial homepage, blog count, the numbers you want to show, and how many posts you want to show on the first page. As I say, I put 5 here. If I put 5 articles or 6, 5 is going to appear here, and the 1 is going to appear on the second page. You can put as many as you want. You can put thousands, millions of posts on the same page, but you don't want to do that. You want to make a maximum of 10 posts, I think, per page, but it's up to you guys. The last thing is the footer, which is going to be displaying the footer side. You can see here a line that is separating the content from the footer, and you can put your information as well. You see here, as I put the contact name as Winners Moon, and then today's days, and then this is the end categorized. You don't have any categories yet. And the comments, if you have already 2 comments, they show you it's like just the default 2 comments, and they show you if people comment on your website, you can see how many comments. You can read more about it. You can click on read more, and you can see more about the website, as you see here. This is the comments that is come with the hosting domains with the WordPress. They come per default. You can see when people comment, you can go to this section and see what people are commenting about your website. This is, guys, it. I think hopefully is a helpful tutorial that shows you how to make a website for free, cheaper, and you can change as many things as you want. You can put a search bar on the side. You can put sidebars on both sides. Probably you can do however you want. You just can play with it as much as you want. And then now I'm gonna quick show you how to, like you said, oh, how I'm gonna post, I'm gonna make a post, or how I'm gonna go create pages. Okay, so I go, guys, to posts and click on posts. It's very easy how to create posts. You see here they have this post new. It says hello world. We're gonna be deleting this post, and we're gonna make a new one. You click on add new here on the top, and it's gonna show you to write your title and the content. I'm gonna put a post called welcome to my website, and then I'm gonna write a very short sentence. It says, hello people, please feel free to check my website. And then you put this one as a title, and then you go back here and click I'm glad you guys come by to my website. I know it's just, you know, silly words, and then you say about yourself a little bit. I am a website developer, and I will be providing helpful information. For example, just to make, you know, the things easy, you can actually make this errors gone by editing, and then you can put here I am or something like that, and then this hello, it looks terrible. Now we adjust it. As well as you can put a picture with your posts. You can put a picture on front of the post, which you're gonna be doing here. Make a space, and then you see here on this area, you click add media. You can add a picture in front of your page. You can add a picture. Let's add this, insert the photo here, or you can make another picture here, which is gonna be the featured image that shows on the post. We're gonna select this as well, and we're gonna be now, after you're done, you can publish your website. You can make categories as well, add the new category, or make a tags. Tags are very useful as well. So you click on publish, and you're gonna publish your first post. Is amazing. You guys, this is the link to your first post. You can click here to view it, or you can preview changes as you like. I'm gonna click on the link, and then I'm gonna see my first post. You see, hello people, feel free to check my website. I'm glad you guys come by. And then you see your post. People can say, oh great. They can comment here and show some love to you. Hopefully that you know guys, and you see here is gonna be showing the comments under the posts blog. This is not your main page, this is just the blog site, which homepage is always stays the same and displaying your beautiful websites. Thanks guys for watching. Hopefully this was a helpful tutorial to show you how to WordPress. If it likes you, I'm gonna do more tutorials to show you more things, more stuff in future about WordPress. I have a lot to show you guys. I don't want to make this video too long. So guys, stay tuned with us, and we will show you more stuff. Please subscribe on our new channel, Winners Moon, and we will have more content. See you guys.